Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Minion out of Play-Dough. I mean, come on, who doesn't love Play-Dough? And on top of that, who doesn't love Minions? Anybody? That's what I thought. Let's get started on making our Minion. First, the colors of Play-Dough that we're going to use today are black, blue, white, brown, and yellow. And what I think is very helpful is using a little Play-Doh knife. But if you don't have one, that's okay. You can either just tear it with your hands or you can use a regular butter knife. But if you're using a butter knife, be sure to ask your parents for help. A little tip I have, whether you're drawing or using Play-Doh, is I always like to look up the picture of it so it can help me think of what I should do more. So since I'm making a Minion today, I looked up a cute little picture of a Minion, so this is the Minion that we're going to be using today. Let's get started. Goggles that are gray, but I don't have any gray, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix some white with a little bit of black. And now I'm just going to smush it all together and it should make gray. Play-Doh Minion. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And come back to Happykids to see what I'm creating next. See you later.
To
watch more videos, please subscribe.